We know that the Vexanium blockchain runs in a decentralized autonomous organization, so all decisions and steps are determined from the block producers meeting. Vexanium block producers, or BPs, are network validators who earn rewards and gain control over the Vexanium blockchain. For those of you who didn't know about Vexanium I will explain you a little bit about Vexanium. Vexanium is a public blockchain. You can participate in the Vexanium public blockchain by becoming a miner. Then, you will get rewards from transactions and blockchain validation. These miners can also vote on the Vexanium blockchain. Because the Vexanium blockchain runs democratically, these BPs can determine what steps will be carried out on the Vexanium blockchain in the future. In addition, the Vexanium blockchain is a smart contract platform. We focus on building blockchain infrastructure. This is what connects developers, corporates, business, and startups to create various kinds of blockchain-based projects. The Vexanium blockchain is actually a free transaction, but you have to stake VEX, which will become a resource that you can use daily. This is the Vexanium ecosystem. Currently, Vexanium has quite a lot of ecosystems, especially in DeFi, yield farming, AMM liquidity providers, stablecoins, and so on. Everything has started on the Vexanium blockchain. For those of you who want to know more about Vexanium, you can try following the Vexanium Telegram. We have a Telegram group named Vexanium.com. In that Telegram group, you can ask our community. By asking of all our users and the investors community, they will provide information on how to use Vexanium blockchain. You can join this Telegram. Currently, there are quite a lot of transactions on the Vexanium blockchain. Per day, it can be up to 10,000 transactions. The first is that the Q3 we will be running on an educational webinars to look for good seeds and for new developers who are interested on making blockchain applications. Vexanium itself has been focused on education for more than 2 years from 2009 to today. You can see it on the Vexanium YouTube or the announcement. Almost every month, there are several times we do training for the users. We will continue to hold events that continue to educate users about blockchain. In August, we also have a developers training bootcamp for those of you who want to learn how to develop the Vexanium blockchain. From that training, we can provide instruction for users, and this is all free. This is the result of the developers training program, blockchain ecosystems on the Vexanium blockchain. As we know, that currently there are many ecosystems that already exist on the Vexanium blockchain. So there are DeFi, DEX, wallets, tools, and also block producers, and many more. The Vexanium blockchain and ecosystem starts from block producers. The BP is the foundation in the Vexanium blockchain because they are the ones who validate transactions. The second one is DEP or DeFi ecosystems built on the Vexanium blockchain. Currently, a lot of DeFi has built on and we hope that in the future that in Q3 the DeFi can increase to double the amount compared to before. This is where we invite developers to create more DeFi on the Vexanium blockchain. Next up is the Vexanium Global Ambassador Program. In 2021, we're starting to focus the introduction of Vexanium overseas communities in the Telegram. In the future, it is hoped that many global ambassadors will be born through this program. If you have friends who are abroad, you can also join this program. The third one is, after you attended the developers training, you can join the DEPS incentive program. This program is a core thing for you to develop your own ecosystem. More or less, we have been running the DEPS incentive program since 2019. We continue to support new ecosystems that are present on the Vexanium blockchain. The fourth is the upgrade of the resource and RAM on the Vexanium blockchain. Because we know, at this time, many users have started to appear on the Vexanium blockchain every day. New users, new use case, and new developers. Through the BP meeting, all miners agreed to upgrade the size of RAM. They hope in the future, RAM and resources will be cheaper on the Vexanium blockchain. So this can be upgraded in the Q3 2021. The fifth is taking rewards from BP. This will start to be standardized with the new smart contracts. BPs in the future can have smart contracts where rewarding will be easier. For those of you who want to vote, will be automatically recorded in the smart contract, and the smart contract will automatically send rewards per day to you. So these rewards depend on how you contract with the BP. So this will be updated in Q3 2021. And the sixth is, We know that liquidity is very important in the public blockchain. So over the past few quarters, we have started new testing a few other blockchain platforms coin for inclusion on the Vexanium blockchain. In the future, we will start be massive enough to bring Aura, another blockchain, to be present on the Vexanium blockchain. So we'll start with Ethereum, Tron, EOS, BTC, and ERC20 tokens, and tokens on the other blockchain too. We know that Vexanium DeFi is growing pretty well. The hope in the quarter 3 on the Vexanium bit is deficit will grow 2 times compared to the previous quarter 2. So from the core developers, we will always support the new DeFi that is present on the Vexanium blockchain. The target is, in quarter 3, the number of DeFi projects is at least 2 times compared to before. So we will continue to help developers who want to make DeFi applications on the Vexanium blockchain. The 8th is how we try to start preparing on the NFT ecosystem on the Vexanium blockchain. Currently, on the foundation basis, Vexanium NFT smart contract already exists. You can see it on the GitHub, and you can try to learn, and you can directly publish the NFT. You also have several wallets that support NFT on the Vexanium blockchain. So how the core developers and the community can collaborate together to create an NFT marketplace that is prevent on the Vexanium blockchain, decentralized or centralized. So the next time there will also be an open source of that you can create NFT marketplace based on the Vexanium blockchain. It will be easier in the future. We hope that we can collaborate the developers to build NFT ecosystem on top of the Vexanium blockchain. And at least the last one is Vex coin burn in phase 3. At this time, the Vexanium blockchain is already has 2 times of burn, and this is the third. The first is August 25, 2020, and the second is March 21, 2020. So currently, in phase 3, it will run in quarter 3 this time. Usually, this burn will be obtained from inflation, transaction fees, and some part of the core developer wallets, which will be reduced. The hope is to stabilize supply from Vexanium. So this is the third burn will hurt on the quarter 3 this year. For updates, you can follow Vexanium social media channels. On Instagram, you can follow the Telegram channel or the Telegram group, Vexanium.com. In addition, you can follow Facebook and subscribe to the Vexanium YouTube channel. Okay, I guess that's enough for today. Thank you for listening to the update, and if you have any question, you can follow Vexanium social media. See you on the next